Hello guys, today was a very good or excellent day in daily gains. Okay, now in the morning at 9:30 I was looking to continue shorting, and all I was short, it means I have for 1 week. And then in the morning after 9:30 I see the stocks go down a little bit, but then they begin to go up, and I see my shorts, which is ETFs. So after a few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I begin to sell everything I have. So because the day was so strong at the beginning, so I would never know what will happen at the end of the day. Now, if you go online right now and you are searching for what we say reasons, you find that no one gives any damn reason. Do you know why? Because they don't know. Okay, why today for example, Dow Jones goes 1,000 points? It didn't happen since, they say, since 2009. Why is that? Okay, why today only Dow Jones go like this? Why, for example, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, the other S&P 500? Now I will tell you, by this explanation I will explain to you what's going on in terms of technical analysis, because this is the good thing. Now when you go to websites like CNN, like TVs, like you go wherever you go, they will never tell you it is just buying back the shorts. Now what does it mean? It means all these people who have been shorting the whole market like me for today, okay? So the whole week, a lot of money, because as you can see, I will show you the red candlesticks that we have seen for more than 1 week, and just today they bought back their shares. It means for those who are doing always day trading, they understand this. So for you, for almost of the people who don't know, that when you sell short, the shares that you have, it is not yours. Okay, it's broker gives it to you, and then you sell them, and then you buy it back. So for swing traders, you can stay with the trend, and then whenever you are ready, you buy back. So today is the buyback, and I will show you the chart how strong it is, because they made a lot of money. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Okay, so the chart, as you can see, look at all these days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all these 6 days, how much the Dow Jones ETF lost. And you see this strong, very strong candlestick, which is $10.61, which is 4.86, nearly 5%. Okay, so you see how strong it is. This is what we call buying back. Okay, now let's go to the SPY. Also, as you can see, the SPY, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, and then 1 day, which is so strong. Now we go to excuse me, we go to Russell 2000. Russell 2000, you know, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days. Okay, 14 days, it's nearly 3 weeks. 3 weeks down on the row, and they today $6.05, 4.81%. You see how strong it is. Now let's go back. In order to understand what did happen, because as I told you before the beginning of the video, when you go to know why is that, why today everything goes up, almost all the market, not all, it means 100%, but there are some stocks will go down, it's usual, but everything is going so good. It's just because of buying back. Now I will explain this for those who do short selling. Okay, so just very quick to show you this. Now, whenever we have many days going down like this, okay, many days. Now there are some people when they see a beginning of a trend. So let's say they buy here at any price. Other people, they buy here, they buy here, they buy here because they see a trend. These are days, okay? These are daily candlesticks. Now, all the people are buying, and then one day they stop. They stop selling short. It means when I say buy, it means I'm meaning to sell short, selling short. Now, in general, what is selling short? Selling short is here is your broker, okay? You go and you borrow shares. This is what you do when you put sell. When you hit sell, what does it mean? It means you borrow shares, whatever number of shares that you bought. So this action of selling shares, it means you are borrowing from your broker. Now, today, what did happen today is that they buy back. See? They buy back, or we say cover back. Because understand that whenever you want to exit, you should give back the shares that you sell, okay, that you borrow from your broker. And this is why it was so strong. Now, this is one action, which is buy back the shares, okay? A second action is that any day trader, even if you don't sell short the whole days, and you see a good day, from the beginning it was so good. That's why I told you. For me, I was shorting all these days, and then today in the morning I buy back my shares, so I am out of the market, and then I change my direction because it was so good today. So if you are in the market and you are a day trader, you should have made money now. Now, the thing is, we have only 2 days. Okay? Does the market will continue to go up these 3 days? It means Thursday, Friday, and Monday. This is the end of the day, which is 31st December. Or it is just a false reverse, and the market will go down again. So we are waiting for this to happen. Either it continues to go up and people, they just go and they buy heavily. So short sellers can't sell short because of the push of the people. You understand that all the people know today it's an excellent day, so they might tomorrow buy more. If the sellers are few, the market will go up. But if things happen and things there is a reverse of this, it will go down. Okay, so we will be waiting for this to happen. And understand, I am always telling you this: if you are a day trader, try to be at 9:30. This is why I told you always that those guys, those analysts, okay, they don't have no answer. Okay, today go everywhere and check what they say. They don't say that short sellers buy back their shares. That's why we have this, and we have many, like 1 week or 2 or 3, like for Russell 2000, 3 weeks going down. They will never tell you this because they don't like to use technical analysis. Okay, it's just, you know, it's just the way they learn investing and so. And you ask them why today. They try to find anything, but they don't find. That's why I will show you. For example, go to CNN, for example, today. So CNN here, they say Dow soars 1,086 points in a miraculous comeback. Okay, now when you begin to read, stock markets staged the miraculous comeback Wednesday following the worst ever Christmas Eve. The Dow posted its biggest daily. So they begin to describe what happened today. What happened? Now here, look at this. Look at this explanation. Investors went bargain shopping the day after Christmas, where stocks just got so cheap. Is this a reason? Okay, is this a reason? So too cheap relative to earnings, future earnings, a reasonable assessment of earnings. This guy who is Chris Rupke, managing director of MUFG. The coast is clear. Back up the track. Investors are saying enough already. The world is not ending. Okay, and they begin. So this is that because stocks are cheap and they buy today. Is that because of that? All the people they do that. Okay. Now this is not for me. Is not the reason. Okay. It's not because the stocks are so cheap. The stocks have been going down so long. If you go to Apple, Facebook, Twitter, it has been so long cheap. It's not only today that it is cheap. It could be before Christmas. It could be last week. It could be the other month. And the stocks are going down and they lose too much. Okay, so try just to understand that when all these TVs they don't have any reason, they begin to talk about today is good. Okay, but when you say today is good, it is not an answer to questions. Now for us as technical analysis, we don't care that much. In the morning at 9:30 you should be there and look at the price. Is it going down, you sell short. If it's going up strong, you buy. That's it. Okay, this is what you do in order to make money. So you shouldn't just have reasons like this. Okay, it's because Trump has said this. They follow Trump, but he said nothing. Okay, he said nothing. So they want just to find something, but they don't find. So in order to understand this stock market, you should, in general, avoid this kind of news. Although you see the news, but sometimes there is no news. So what did happen today? There is no news. If you go in the morning of Wednesday, the morning, there is no news. So why the market is going up today? Stocks are cheap? No. Stocks have been cheap for a long time. Okay? See Facebook, see Twitter, see Apple. It has been going down for 2 or 3 months. So it's always cheap. So why the people, they don't buy? And you understand that all this is the comeback is just those guys are buying back. The market is not so good. Don't be like optimistic that you just find stocks and begin to buy and it's a bull market. No, we are still in a bear market. We are inside and we didn't get. If after a few days, 1 week, 2 weeks or 3 or maybe first month, if all the market had been going up for so long, and then maybe we can say that there is a big reverse. Today, yes, it is a reverse, but be careful, and don't just take this as granted and you just buy and you don't see the price. Okay? So thank you very much. We will see other days at the end of the day. And for you guys, my discounts are still there. If you are going to order or do the golden subscription, please, because I will give so many information and I will give you what to do in the future. Thank you very much and see you next day.